how to post pictures and videos on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Further, go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the plus icon on the top left of your screen. Here you will see the option for post. So tap on the post option you see there, and further go ahead and tap on the select option you see there, and then go ahead and select the photos and videos that you want to post. Now, once you have selected the pictures that you want to post, tap on the next option on the top right of your screen and then go ahead and add in audio, text, or add overlay or add filters or make any changes by tapping on the edit button you see there. Once you are done making all the required changes, tap on next again and further go ahead and add in a caption for your post. Along with, you can tag people if you want. You can also add location if you want. You can then tap on more options in order to make required changes, and finally tap on the share button you see there, and with this your post will be made. So this was about how you can post pictures and videos on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.